Hello, welcome to Module 4. I'd like to give you some instructions on completing Module 4. So, as in the past, I want to encourage you to read over your Module 4 chapter on consciousness and to also review the PowerPoint slides for this chapter. So you will be completing the usual assignments for Module 4, which include your Module 4 discussion post, as well as your Chapter 4 quiz. In addition, this module is going to contain your Unit 1 exam. Unit 1 exam will be worth 100 points, and I'd like to remind you that you should go back and review Chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 in order to prepare for this Unit 1 exam. I'd also suggest that you look back at your discussion posts and your video response submission, as those will also help to refresh your memory on the content across these 4 chapters. Now, for Module 4, we're going to be focusing on consciousness. And in psychology, a major area of consciousness is the sleep cycle. So within the sleep cycle, I want you to be thinking about the various stages of non-REM sleep, and then also the importance of REM sleep. Oftentimes as students, we are living very busy, hectic lives, especially if we're also working or have families. And I'd like to emphasize that getting the proper number of sleep hours each night is actually really important for brain processing, as sleep allows us to move information from short-term memory to long-term memory, and we'll revisit this when we get to the memory chapter. I'd also like to bring up the idea of altered consciousness. Many times we think about sleep or consciousness and altering consciousness only through the means of taking some kind of medication or recreational substance. But in reality, we have incredible control over our consciousness and can learn to alter our own consciousness through techniques such as meditation, biofeedback, and even in terms of psychotherapy, the process of hypnosis. Again, we'll revisit some of these concepts late in other chapters. So I will check back in with you after Unit 1 exam and see you again for Module 5 instructions.